I figured I would put together an assembly video for this Titan TTB430VAC. The instructions leave a little bit to be desired, so hopefully the video will help if you're having any problems working out what goes where. Out of the box there is some assembly required. We've got to put the 4 wheels on. We've got 2 large wheels and 2 small casters, the handles and the tool holder. And these are the fittings that come in order to achieve that. So the first thing to do is to take the motor off the drum. So with the drum upside down, if you look at the base, we've got 2 pointed corners, and then we've got 2 corners with a radius on them. Now the first thing to do is to attach the large wheels. So in there is a letter B stamped, and in there you can just make out the letter A. The 2 large wheels which are fitted on axles have got the letter A and B stamped inside them as well. So this side is stamped A, which means that just slots in there, and obviously the B slots in there. Once they're pushed in, take the tool holder and slot that in between them, and that just slots in nicely. Then the wheels and the tool holder are held in place with 4 of the provided screws. And you can use a flat-headed screwdriver for this. These are quite difficult to do. You've got to make sure that you get the screw actually in the pre-formed hole, otherwise you won't be able to screw them in. It's a little bit fiddly, but once it's in there we go. There we go, so that's the 2 big rear wheels and the tool holder fixed. So there you can see the rear wheels and the tool holder. So with the 2 rear wheels fixed and the tool holder, we've got to fix the front casters, and they literally just push in, but you've got to force them in. They need to clip into place. It's quite a lot of pressure required, but that's that done. So that was fairly simple. So the last bit of the assembly is to attach the 2 side handles, and you can see there are holes drilled into the side of the tank in order to do that. So it's just 2 screws for each handle. I'll do that now. So obviously the handle goes on the outside. Place a screw through the hole, locate it in the hole in the handle. Don't tighten it up fully until you've got the other one in, just in case. Through the hole in the handle. So that is pretty simple, but the instructions make it sound more complicated than it actually is. The motor just drops in, like so, with the switch and socket at the front, which is the yellow nozzle there, and then just clip those in. Now it's a loose fit, but it's designed to be a loose fit because as soon as you start using the vacuum, it sucks this motor assembly down onto the drum and seals it. So as you can see, assembly is fairly simple. It's just a little confusing when they read the instructions. So I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.